Nikon lenses are born from a tradition of elite craftsmanship and pursuit of optical perfection more than 80 years in the making. Unlock your creative vision and your camera's full potential with Nikon lenses, each optimized to deliver stunning results across a variety of applications. So if you're looking to buy a new one, then these are some of the best products which are available on the market. The Tamron AF 60mm f/2.0 Di2 LD macro lens with Nikon mount is the first medium telephoto macro lens designed for APS-C size DSLR cameras that features a fast maximum aperture of f/2.0, one stop faster than the f/2.8 maximum aperture found on conventional macro lenses in the same class. It covers an equivalent angle of view of 93mm when converted to the 35mm format. With its fast f/2.0 maximum aperture, this new macro lens delivers dramatically attractive blurred background effects. And the addition of internal focusing, IF, and full-time manual focus control mechanism to its list of highlight features makes this lightweight and compact one-to-one macro lens incredibly easy to use. Also, the manual focusing ring is smooth and nicely sized. It offers a 1-to-1 magnification ratio to enable you to focus in on even the smallest of details. The Sigma DC HSM Lens is designed to achieve genuinely notable optical performance and is ideally suited for creative and artistic applications. It has an inner zoom and internal focus design limits the overall length of the lens during operation for more intuitive, controlled handling, as well as faster performance. Also, it comes with a fixed, rotating tripod collar, offering increased stability when working from a tripod, and integrates 90-degree click stops for automatic switching between horizontal and vertical shooting orientations. The rounded 9-blade diaphragm is constructed from durable, fluorine-coated polycarbonate and also features a carbon feather film for smooth performance when working with fast, continuous shooting rates. It features a super multi-layer coating, which has been applied to lens elements to minimize lens flare and ghosting, and contribute to producing contrast-rich and color-neutral imagery, even in backlit conditions. The Tamron AF 18-200mm lens is the world's lightest in the 18-200mm class, which weighs 400 grams. It comes with an advanced mechanical design that incorporates high-durability engineering resin. It has a newly designed autofocus drive module with optimal DC motor gear train integration, making AF faster, quieter, and more precise. With Tamron's proprietary image stabilization mechanism, you can snap excellent, shake-free photos indoors, at night, and in other low-light conditions. The moisture-resistant construction helps protect the lens when used outdoors, even in inclement weather. It offers fantastic round blurring effects with a circular diaphragm, which provides desirable and beautiful bokeh with point light sources blurring into naturally rounded shapes. The Nikon AF-S FX NIKKOR has a 50mm focal length, 75mm equivalent on DX format cameras, with a fast f/1.8 aperture, allowing you to capture stunning images with a shallow depth of field, letting your subjects stand out from their backgrounds. With its fast f/1.8 aperture, the AF-S NIKKOR 50mm f/1.8G will capture even low-light situations with stunning brilliance. The Nikon's Super Integrated Coating, SIC, enhances light transmission efficiency and offers superior color consistency and reduced flare. Also, the aspherical lens element, AS, virtually eliminates coma and other types of aberrations, even when shooting at the most widely available aperture. It features silent wave motor (SWM) technology that converts traveling waves into rotational energy to focus the optics. Thus, it enables high-speed autofocusing that's extremely accurate and super quiet. The Nikon AF-P DX NIKKOR 70-300mm is optimized for compact DX format DSLRs, and the AF-P DX NIKKOR 70-300mm f/4.5 to 6.3G ED VR picks up where your 18 to 55mm lens leaves off to bring a distant action within reach. It has superb optics, and the telephoto field of view produces beautiful portraits with softly blurred backgrounds. Nikon's vibration reduction (VR) image stabilization keeps photos sharp and videos steady when shooting handheld. It also enhances your camera's low light capabilities, allowing you to shoot at slower shutter speeds in dim lighting. It also uses a pulse motor utilizing stepping motors that focuses extremely fast and is nearly silent. Bring subjects into focus instantly with absolute precision. You can switch between autofocus and manual focus, or turn VR on and off using the camera menu. The Nikon AF-P DX NIKKOR 10-20mm comes with an ultra-wide-angle zoom lens that's ideal for sprawling landscapes and cityscapes, architecture, interiors, or just beautiful group photos. Its near-silent autofocusing and vibration reduction (VR) image stabilization makes it an excellent choice for recording video, and its compact, lightweight design makes it a great travel companion. The outstanding optics deliver beautiful photos and videos, even in challenging situations. To ensure that every shot is bright and crisp, it contains 3 aspherical lens elements that effectively correct distortions and other types of aberrations, even at the periphery of the frame. It features a stepping motor that reduces noise from within the autofocus drive, and it is perfect for photographing subjects in their natural environment without any disturbances. The Nikon AF-S DX NIKKOR 35mm comes with a fast f/1.8 maximum aperture, which is perfect for low light shooting and creating softly blurred backgrounds, and its classic normal angle of view makes it a great all-around lens. With its rounded 7-blade diaphragm opening, out-of-focus elements appear more natural. The optical design allows a different look and feel to images taken with zoom lenses, and its dimensions are ideal for discrete snapshots and landscape shooting with a picture angle that approximates that of the human eye. The lens also features a rubber seal to minimize moisture ingression around the mount, and it can focus down to 0.3 meters, 0.98 feet. Also, the Nikon Super Integrated Coating, SIC, enhances light transmission efficiency and offers color consistency and reduced flare. Holding the first place among the list of best Nikon lenses, we have the Nikon AF-S DX NIKKOR 16-85mm. It comes with a compact and highly versatile Nikon 16-85mm wide-angle to medium telephoto zoom lens, which is ideal for a broad range of shooting situations, from interiors and landscapes to portraits. The lens is equipped with Nikon's vibration reduction technology, which minimizes the effects of camera shake. This allows handheld shooting at up to 4 shutter speeds slower than would otherwise be possible, producing dramatically sharper images at a distance. It also offers 2 extra low dispersion (ED) glass elements, which minimize chromatic aberration to provide superior sharpness and color correction, and 3 aspherical lens elements, which virtually eliminate chroma effects and other flaws, even when used at the widest aperture. Other features include a super integrated coating, SiC, that offers superior color performance and reduced ghosting and flare. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell icons.